So relaxing. You gonna fall asleep in there? Yeah? You gonna fall asleep? Mm-hmm.
Christian. Alright, so sometimes it's hard to get Christian to try new food, so we do the best we can, and here's an example. No. Ready? First burger, then French fry, okay? Christian, first take a bite, and then you get a fry. No. Alright, hey. No. Take a bite, and then you get your French fry. Come on. Christian, take a bite. Thank you. Now you get a French fry. Thank you. Good job, Haiti. Are you all done with your burger? That's a good sister. Good job, Haiti. All right, you ready, Christian? You want another French fry? Okay, you gotta take a little bite of the burger, okay? Here. Christian. Ready? Good job. All right, so something that we do is when we're gonna turn on the blender, we give them a warning because sometimes it freaks them out a bit, so we just let them know what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Please tell them to turn on the blender, okay? Don't get scared.
Ready?
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's all right. It's just a blender. It's just a blender. It's all right. Ready? Good job. One more, okay? Ready? Whoa! It's a little loud. Last one. All done. Yay!
All right.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're trying this out. It's for Christian, so he doesn't chew on everything as he currently is, as usual. Christian. So, Auntie went and she bought this for us. See if Christian likes it. So we'll see how it turns out, and we'll let you guys know where we got it and if it's actually working out. Thanks.
He's like, what?
The one time you could choose
I
something.
know. You like it? You like it? You like it? Would you like it? Give it to me, it's mine. Give it to me, it's mine. Can I have it? Oh my goodness! It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Can I chew on it? Looks like it didn't work. He doesn't like it. Or does he? Do you like it?
Hi, my name's Christian. What's your name? Besito. Besito, and I'll put you down.
Alright, so recently I've been having some thoughts on how his main problem is avoidance. I feel like all the tasks that he's given, he I feel like he knows how to do it, but he's just avoiding the task. So he's looking away all the time. He's getting frustrated or throwing a little meltdown. But it's not that he doesn't know how to do it. I feel like he's just avoiding it, and I don't know why. Like if it's because he feels like he doesn't have any control, or he's just maybe not understanding it. I don't know, but it's really causing a problem with ABA, because if he's not focusing, looking at what they need him to look at, or paying attention, if he's looking around the room, then how's he supposed to match an object or follow their instructions or whatever they're asking of him? So I'm trying to figure out how to get him to focus more on things in general. Yeah. Okay, so I think I mentioned last time that Christian loves to put everything in his mouth. So right now was a lot of shoe laces always in his mouth. So I used to always find him in here in the closet just with all the shoes, putting them in his mouth. So I had to buy a little baby proof, which isn't necessarily made for closets, but I used it for that. So now every time we want to get something, we lock it up, or else he'll get in here because the shoes are really easily accessible. So yeah. So my kids' room is where ABA sessions happen on a regular basis. So Christian loves stuffed rabbits, monkeys. He loves everything, and during ABA, when he has his break, he usually comes over here and barricades himself and just chews on everything. But he does his ABA right here. This is his little box, my chair. So I'm gonna try to show you guys a little bit of what I do with him, not necessarily what ABA does, but you know, just little sessions that I like to do with him. All right, Christian, come sit down. Good listening. Thank you. All right. Bread. Look. Bread. Can you point to bread? Good job. Bread. All right. Christian, point to bread. Oh, bless you. Oh, Christian, point to bread. No, that's keys. Can you point to bread? Good pointing. That's bread. Good job. All right, ready, Christian? Point to bread. Christian, point to bread. Good job. That is bread. Good job. All right, Christian. Point to bread. Point bread. Christian, point to bread. Point to bread. Uh-oh, no. Bread, that's bread. Ready? Can you point to bread? Bread. Christian, ready? Point to bread. Which one's bread? Good job, that is bread. Good job. High five. Awesome. Good job. You're all done. You're all done. Good job. So the matching, identifying the object with the cards, that's a new one that they're doing in speech. So I'm trying to do it at home too, so that he can practice. And because he only has speech twice a week, I try to do a little bit of what they're doing at home so that he can be more prepared in those sessions, and hopefully it's working. We're out and about. Christian does pretty well when we go out in public. He usually does pretty good.